Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the 2025 Ferrari SF90 takes the hybrid supercar game to the next level with its breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable Italian craftsmanship. Under the hood, it packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, producing a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower, allowing it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. The SF90's plug-in hybrid system offers not just performance but also efficiency, with an electric-only range of around 15 miles. Ferrari has refined the aerodynamics, incorporating active elements that enhance downforce while minimizing drag, making it more agile than ever on the track. The car's lightweight chassis, advanced torque vectoring, and all-wheel drive system ensure razor-sharp handling, while the upgraded braking system provides unparalleled stopping power. Inside, the SF90 boasts a futuristic cockpit with a fully digital instrument cluster, an intuitive touchscreen interface, and premium materials that blend luxury with race-inspired minimalism. The steering wheel now features haptic controls, allowing drivers to adjust settings without taking their hands off the wheel, emphasizing Ferrari's focus on driver engagement. Aesthetically, the SF90 maintains Ferrari's signature aggressive yet elegant design, with sleek LED lighting, sculpted body lines, and an unmistakable stance that exudes performance. Compared to its predecessor, the 2025 model features subtle refinements that enhance aerodynamics and cooling, ensuring optimal performance even under extreme conditions. On the road, the SF90 delivers an exhilarating driving experience, with instant throttle response, spine-tingling exhaust notes, and an unshakable grip that keeps it glued to the pavement. Despite its track-focused nature, it offers surprising comfort, with adaptive suspension that makes it livable for daily driving. The latest iteration of Ferrari's side slip control, SSC, and electronic traction management system ensures maximum control, whether carving through corners or pushing limits on the straights. With a starting price well into 6 figures, the SF90 remains a dream car for many, but for those fortunate enough to own one, it represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's hybrid supercar evolution, blending electrification with pure, unadulterated performance in a way that only Ferrari can. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Red Heart.